Hey everyone, welcome back to Spring River Outdoors, and today is the first video in our aluminum boat restoration or our boat build. This is a 1977 Mon Ark 14 foot. These were built in Monticello, Arkansas. And kind of start with why I got this boat. I bought this boat last summer. I think I paid 600 bucks for it, but we've lived here about a year. You can see the river in the background. I have an aluminum bass boat. It's not really the perfect tool for fishing out here. A lot of stumps, a lot of backwater, a lot of family in and out of the muddy riverbank. Just not perfect for what we're trying to do here. So I bought this, kind of planned for it to use it for running limb lines, diddy poles, but also do some duck hunting here in the fall. I'm going to put a duck blind on it at some point. I don't know if you can see it here. There's some backwater, some sloughs back here that you can get into. Not that it's tremendous duck hunting on the river here, but there are some ducks around, especially when it freezes. So just kind of go through what we've done so far on the boat and what my plans are here over the next couple of weeks, or probably next couple of months. We started to take the paint off the outside, started getting the paint off. I think there was 3 or 4 layers of paint on here when I bought it. So I've got a lot of the paint off the outside, still got a little bit of work to do. Have not started stripping the paint on the inside. I've got a lot of that to do, but I think the very first thing I'm gonna do, maybe the next video, is we're gonna start working on this rotten transom. So I gotta get the bolts out of here, probably get these rivet heads out. And by the way, I'm not a handyman. I've never drilled a rivet in my life, so this will be a fun project for you guys to make fun of me and kind of learn. If I can pull this off, anybody is gonna be able to pull this off. So we're gonna get the rotten transom out of here, get some marine plywood, get it painted, get it sealed, get it reinstalled. From there, I'm gonna finish stripping out the paint, and we're gonna get electrical wiring done, get a bilge pump, get some lights here. I do have, I believe it's called Alumahawk paint I've already bought for the outside, and then have Gator Glide to go on the bottom. So once we get it prepped and ready, we'll kind of go through the whole process of installing that. Kind of the plan here, there's a lot of little holes here in the aluminum. Maybe these were seat bases. Gonna get those filled. I don't know if we'll have a seat up here or not, but certainly gonna put a seat back here. So I'll need to get a seat base mounted. Gonna have a tiller handle. We don't have a tiller handle yet, or any motor for this, so get a tiller handle motor to go on here. So gonna be a fun build, gonna be a learning process. I've never done this sort of thing, but the goal is to get it out here on the river, be able to, like I said, catfish, run some lines, and then this fall to be able to get it out here and do some duck hunting. I've mentioned, if you watch anything on this channel, there's a lot of strip pits around here. These kind of boats are perfect for the strip pits. A few of them will fit my bass boat. Most of them won't, so being able to get something that you can drag to the water makes those a little more accessible. So I guess like and subscribe if you want to watch this build, if you want to get a good laugh as I kind of learn what I'm doing here. Ultimately want this to be our river rat boat. Duck blind, be able to take Jinx out in the boat with us and do a little duck hunting, do a little fishing, and not worry about getting it all muddy and nasty. Thanks for watching.